I work here for 10 years. Last time before I know Aidha, I don't have saving at all.
I was not planned to start any businesses, but then joining Aidha first year gave me a hope to start. Oh, why not, Nilu? You can do something.
Aidha really helped me gain and boost my self-confidence. The moment I stand up and in front of people, I will be very scared and I feel very nervous. The first time I speak, I really shiver, but the few days, the next classes that I attended, slowly my self-confidence started to develop.
Before even me, I'm not vocal at all. But when I start Aidha, you cannot stop me talking. No, really, serious.
Because of Aidha, I know how to save, I know how to manage my money. I start already also my business.
Like we always do something to make each and every session fun and looking forward to it. What kind of lunches we're going to take? Are we going to take potluck or are we going somewhere after the class, to have a lunch together?
So I was become their sister. Every time they have the problem, every time they have the homeworks, and they always confide with me what to do and how to do. So that makes me happy.
Can make a friend with many different nationality, like Filipino, Indian, Sri Lanka, and I can also we sharing our knowledge, our experience working in Singapore and our planning business plan.
But you are really equal in each and every one. Ever you're a slow learner or you're a fast learner, mentors are very understanding.
And because of Aidha, now I have my own business and I can send my kids to education and then achieve their dream.
Give hope to any other woman who doesn't believe in themselves. I was one of them, but I started to believe in myself when I came to Aidha. So yeah.
Come to Aidha and learn more about how to become empowered, how to become intelligent, how to communicate with others, how to deal with problems, and especially how to set your goals.